Hi, to remove assistant from power button on the POCO X7, firstly, let's test it. I'm gonna press the power button, which is located on the right side of the phone. And as you can see, long press triggers this assistant. So to remove it from the power button, we need to go in settings. Here, find additional settings. And after that, we should choose gesture shortcuts. And right now, select this first section, Launch Digital Assistant. And if you can see that the switcher is blue, then it is enabled and we can press and hold the power button and this assistant will be triggered. To disable it, just tap on the switcher and now when you long press power button, you would see only suggestion to enable wake with power button. So let's go back. And here you can also check the rest of these features such as take a screenshot, partial screenshot, to launch camera with the help of double press the power button or double press volume down when the screen is locked. And we can also turn on flashlight with the help of double pressing the power button. So you can, for example, replace your assistant with flashlight. You can now double press the power button and flashlight will be enabled. So let's try this out. So yeah, as you can see, it's working. Then double press again and flashlight would be disabled. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.